Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a 138 Super Sport true SS car, and we're going to take a look at it. It's beautiful red with black bucket seats. Absolutely gorgeous car. We do offer shipping and financing on any car that we have for sale, but we're going to take a look at this beauty right now, the 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is one of a kind, beautiful car. I love the red. I love the rallies. It's just an absolutely beautiful car. Absolutely super clean and nice. And we're going to take a look at it here. Let's first take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. All nice and clean. All the doors look great. It's got the knee knocker tack in it. All nice and clean. All the headliner looks great. Dome light works. Just really sharp, nice and clean car. Let's shut the door here. Take a look inside of the trunk. Let's see here. Got it. Inside the trunk is finished beautifully. It's got spare tire in the jack. Oh, looks great. It's got the black and white splatter paint in it. Really looks good. Super clean. Show you the trunk lid there. All the chrome looks great. I'm gonna shut the trunk here. He's gonna start it up for me. There, and I'll show you the driver's side of the interior here. Oh, looks good. Show you the door here. Show you that VIN. It's got the upgraded gauge pack in this car with the knee knocker tack. Automatic with the clock. Nice radio. It really looks good. Super clean. Shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. I know everybody's been waiting to see underneath the hood, and here we go. This car is powered by a 396, power steering, power disc brakes on this car. Really nice, really super clean. All the chrome is excellent on the car. Shut the hood here. We're gonna take one more quick look at the 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this beauty for a test drive and see how it does. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, here we go. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. While we're taking off, I'm going to show you the tach work, speedometer, all the gauges. Working there. The blinker and the dash works. Show them the other side there, Greg. There you go. The radio does work. Due to YouTube's copyright purposes, I can't turn it on or they'll take the video down. If you want to hear the radio working, just call us and we'll get you that video separately. I can send it to you. So, but here we go. We're going to go for a test drive here. shifts through all the gears the right way. Horn works. It doesn't rattle or shake, just does excellent on the test drive. As we go around the curve, like I do every time, I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Chevelle is made of. Here we go. Great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running and driving car. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars like this one. We are going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. All right, we are going to show you what it looks like underneath.